Are you ready to send Bitcoin using Cash App but not sure where to start? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it safely and quickly. Let's dive in. First, open your Cash App and tap on the Money tab located at the bottom of your home screen. From here, tap on the Bitcoin tile to access your crypto wallet. Next, look for the arrows button. This is your transfer control. Tap it, and then select Send Bitcoin. Now you'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Make sure to double-check the amount since Bitcoin transfers can't be reversed once they're confirmed. After entering the amount, paste or scan the recipient's Bitcoin address or Lightning invoice. This step is crucial. Always make sure the wallet address is correct before proceeding. Once that's set, tap Next, and you'll be asked to choose a transfer speed if you're sending it on-chain. The faster the speed, the higher the network fee, so pick the one that works best for you. Finally, review all the details carefully and hit Confirm. That's it. Your Bitcoin will be on its way, and you can track the transaction directly in your Cash App activity feed. Sending Bitcoin doesn't have to be complicated. Cash App makes it simple and fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. And if you want to learn how to buy or sell Bitcoin on Cash App, check the links in the description below.